How to transfer contacts from one Android to another. This tutorial shows you how to move all your contacts to a new Android device using Google Account Sync on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your old Android device. After that, tap on Accounts and Backup to open the backup settings. From there, tap on Manage Accounts and select your Google account from the list. At this point, tap on Sync Account to open the sync settings. In the next step, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on so your contacts are synced to your Google account. Following this, tap on Sync Now to force an immediate sync of all your contacts to Google. Once done, pick up your new Android device and open the Settings app. From here, tap on Accounts and Backup, and then tap on Manage Accounts. At this stage, tap on Add Account and select Google to sign in with the same Google account you used on your old device. After this, once signed in, tap on Sync Account and make sure Contacts is toggled on. Finally, tap on Sync Now, and all your contacts will automatically be transferred to your new Android device within a few seconds. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you transfer your contacts, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.